Okay, viewers, please try this question first. We'll discuss it soon. We'll just try it out. Basics question. Okay, we're going to discuss. Are you guys ready? Can we discuss now? What type of question is this? Fraction modulus inequalities. What technique should we use to solve it? DICE. DICE stands for Dino, cross, exclude. Do you mind change paper with your friends besides you? Ketak. And yes, take the big red marker pen or pen you have there. Okay, firstly, how do we solve this question? Use the dice. So the denominator, what do? We cross. We cross it. So you should get yourself x minus 1 modulus more equals to 2x plus 3 modulus. What's my next step? You need to exclude. So what do you want to exclude? X plus 3 not equals to 0, x not equals to negative 3. What happened if you did not do this step? You got 0 mark. You forget 0 mark in exam. Did somebody forget? Okay, so point up to your friend who forget it. 1, 2, 3, show. I like this one. You forget, I forget. How many of you forget? Show. Sean. I did not say the name. Okay, so please don't forget about this, okay? The reason I do now because I want to make sure you don't get 0 marks in exam. Okay, so from here, what's the next steps? Use a big red marker and write down over there for him, so he won't forget. Okay, what type of question is this? Both sides modulus. How do we solve both sides? We square both sides. So the left side is not that difficult. S squared minus 2x plus 1 more equals to, do not forget, it becomes 4. X squared plus 6x plus 9. There's a bracket there. Expand the right side. (4x squared plus 24x). Oh, sorry, 36. If I were you, I bring the left hand side to the right side because this is less than that. I mean, basically we get positive 3x squared plus 26x plus 35. And how do we solve from here? What type of question is this? Quadratic inequalities. What's the best way to solve quadratic inequalities? Use the graph. And how do you make a graph? Yes, calculator. Press into your calculator. What do you get? Come again? Negative 5 over 3. Negative 7. Okay, I keep on saying this and I would like to say it again because some people forget. Do not ever write down this one. these steps, do not write it down. Do your friends like write this line? Yes. Take a big red marker, cross it down. So these two people keep on arguing. Okay, if someone can say, sir, but he just factorized, sir, he just write this one down, sir. 3x plus 5, I guess plus 5. X plus 7, is it okay, sir? This line is okay, but not this line, the red one. Alright? Okay, so from here, where should I look? Is it less or more? This equation is less than 0. If you get confused, put the mirror. You got yourself is less than 0. Less or equals to 0. Less is down here. Sorry about that. Not in my computer. Less is down here. So, okay, alright, sorry about that. Negative 7, negative 5 over 3. So what's our final answer? In the middle, right? Negative 7, negative 5 over 3, open or close bracket? Why close? Because that's equal here. Okay? Are we done? You do this in exams, you lose 1 marks. Why? Where's the exclude? Negative 3. Where's negative 3? It's in the middle here. In a way, this negative 3, it disturbs our answers. So what should we do? Backslash negative 3 and set. Okay, there are multiple ways of writing down these answers. This is just one of the way. The second way of writing it down will be negative 7, negative 3, close, open, union, open, negative 3, negative 5 over 3. Or another way of writing this down, negative 7, x, negative 3, or negative 3, x equals to negative 5 over 3. Which one among these three is the easiest way to write down? Obviously the first one. So I prefer the first one. But if you answer these two ways, is it correct? In exam, full marks for all three of them. But if you are my students, be clever. And if you show this to your other class, to your friends in other class, hey, my answer is a lot shorter than yours, and they'll be like, wow, is that even an exam? You look them in the eyes, yes. And when they say to you, how do you know about this? We never learn in our class. You say to them, inshallah, if you learn knowledge for the sake of knowledge, not for exams, you will know these kind of things. Which is, of course, a total lie. Okay, that's good.